Hello everybody, welcome to this vlog. My name is Satya. So today I would like to describe about in this vlog what I would like to describe is what are the advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence in software development. Now before that, many viewers who are watching this video for the first time, I would like to define what is AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence. So this is a tool that is given to us by different software companies like Google, ChatGPT, OpenAI, I should say. Then you have Microsoft, you have Amazon, you have Meta. So these companies have given us this artificial intelligence as a tool to use it as part of the software development to make our tasks easier, right? When I say task easier, it's like it should help us in coding or trying to understand different concepts with respect to technical things. So what is very much useful nature of artificial intelligence is in software development. It provides a ready-made code that can be integrated into the already code base to provide feature by feature enhancements in continuous software development. Now that is with respect to what is AI and how it is used in software development. I already discussed about advantages of AI. It provides or facilitates the continuous uh, deployment of new features in the software, already existing software, right? So it also enhances the skills of the software engineers by giving us depending upon the prompts they give. It is called as prompt engineering. Depending upon the prompts they give, they can educate themselves on different topics of software, the technology that they are implementing, etc, etc, etc. Okay. And to describe, I told what is prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is a very useful technique in artificial intelligence to get the work done by using AI, artificial intelligence. If your prompts are correct and useful to the or helpful to the AI tool, then it will prepare the code in a most efficient way without many bugs, right? And it can be easily integrated into the already existing software without any regressions. Regression in the sense it should not break the already existing feature, right? But what is the disadvantage of bad prompt engineering? So bad prompts may result in data uh, poisoning of um, artificial intelligence tools. So whatever data that we provide, it can be misunderstood by the artificial intelligence tool, and it can give a software which is not working. So if you integrate it without doing a proper unit testing in your test setup, then you will introduce a lot of bugs in the production environment, right? So that is the disadvantage of artificial intelligence, first disadvantage. Then the second disadvantage of artificial intelligence is, let's consider an example of telecom software development. Now, in my previous vlogs, in this vlog called as Chowchowbad 7132, I have described about different protocol implementations. Let's take an example of ERPS, which is Ethernet Ring Protection Scheme, right? Ethernet Ring Protection. For example, if this feature is not existing in the current telecom software that we have, so using AI, any AI tools, for example, Cursor or OpenAI, ChatGPT or Google Gemini, etc., you implement the ERPS functionality by getting the code from it, right? But in the next cycle, immediately you develop spanning tree protocol. Next to that, you develop LACP. Next to that, you develop MCLAG. So different protocols continuously get implemented by AI tool. And as I told, AI tool may also introduce bugs after integrating into the current existing software. So now, to facilitate or to overcome this disadvantage, right, we have QA teams, which is called as quality assurance team. The quality assurance team main responsibility is to find the defects before it leaks into the production environments or in the customer environments, right? So if you start introducing this protocols every day to the test environment or the test team will be a bottleneck here, right? So without testing it cannot be released to the production. So AI introduces continuous development of AI introduces this bottleneck in testing team. So now AI should work or provide the tools in such a way that we can write the code in such a way that it is testing all the functionalities, integration of the software, already existing software. So all these things should be tested by the AI tool. So then there will be another future bottleneck. How can we test the code that is or the automation code that is generated by the AI tool for testing these features? That is again another bottleneck. So this is the main disadvantage, right? One is data poisoning. If you don't give the prompts or give an incorrect data injection into the AI tool, your code might be having bugs. Continuous development of software, telecom software, any software for that matter, will introduce bottlenecks in testing team and in the future software life cycle, right, friends? So I am brainstorming ideas myself to see how it can be rectified, right? So let's see how AI tools also help us in making the overall software development much easier. Okay, so this is what I wanted to discuss as part of this vlog, friends. Thank you. Bye.